The pickup truck has long been a mainstay of American byways and highways, and GMC has been there from day one. The Sierra benefits from a redesign in 2007, it sports higher quality materials and tighter build quality, a more rugged frame and redesigned steering and suspension components for better handling response and ride comfort. GMC also added new safety features like stability control and side curtain airbags. Listen to what the work trim gets you: a trip computer, OnStar, vinyl seating, a 40/24 split front bench seat, air conditioning, a CD MP3 player with an auxiliary audio jack, satellite radio, a tilt steering wheel, and a 4.8-liter V8. Tight build quality, an attractive dash design and comfortable front seating combine with sound ergonomics to make the Sierra's interior just as enjoyable on long road trips as it is for driving around town. In government crash tests, the Sierra earned a top 5-star rating for protection of front occupants in head-on collisions. Calling cards of this GMC Sierra 1500 include strong performance, a refined and quiet ride, and a comfortable, well-finished cabin. The Sierra pickup would be a great choice for a wide array of truck buyers, from the general consumer to the contractor. Of course, you have other choices in the full-size pickup truck market, but the Sierra 1500 is a solid pick no matter what the intended use. Call us or come on in for a test drive. Take this one home today. For your best price, contact Erwin Horn, our Internet Sales Manager.